But I love it the way you clap back when you move. Ain't nobody in here with that body, nobody but you. Nobody but you, yeah, yeah, yeah. You, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ain't nobody in here with that body, nobody but you.
What's up? Welcome back to my channel. As indicated by the title, this is gonna be a starter kit video for you guys for curly hair, for natural curly hair. A lot of people, when they want to start to wear their natural hair, they want to start to wear their curly hair, they don't know where to start, especially in regards to product. I'm going to kind of explain to you guys what I did with my hair and what I feel is universal for most people with natural hair when they first start out. A lot of these products sitting here, I did not start out with them. Actually, products that I started out with, they weren't even really products that I would recommend you guys to start out with. But since I've been, using multiple products, over 100 products, I'm familiarized myself with, various products, ingredients, and stuff like that. So, yeah, enough rambling. I'm actually running way behind schedule, y'all. So, I'm gonna get through this quick. All these products that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys, they're silicone, they're sulfate, they're paraben, they're all of that free. So before anything, if you're just now, getting acclimated with natural hair and the natural hair movement, I think it's important to invest in good quality hair growth products. Here's the Maximum Moisture Hair Growth Conditioner and Shampoo. This is from the company Hair Stimulator. Loyal subscribers, this isn't the first time you've seen this on my channel. And both of these products are infused with Regenerex, which is a follicle stimulator. I received these products months ago, like way back, and I've still been using them. Actually, I may need to re-up because I'm getting low on mainly the conditioner. I still have some shampoo left. But not only are these effective, but they're cheap with my discount code. Most shampoos and conditioners by itself is anywhere from like $12 to $15 depending on the brand. With my coupon code, you can get a huge discount off of both these products. So I will leave my discount code on the screen right here, as well as a link to the website below. In addition to that, I've also been using the Hair Stimulator Regenerex Follicle Stimulator, which is basically, it's a hair growth serum. It feels like oil, but it's a hair growth serum, and you apply it to your scalp daily. I use it once a week after I wash my hair so that it can sit in my hair throughout the week. And then the next time I wash my hair, I wash my scalp to wash this all out so there's no buildup. And then I apply some more. This and the shampoo and conditioner both are amazing. Both I've actually seen some very impressive results from using these products over time. I'm actually gonna have another hair growth update with this whole line, including the hair growth pills. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. In the meantime, use my discount code, hop on these products. Okay, so next, I didn't include one definitive conditioner in this video. I'm gonna slide some in there just in case. But you're gonna wanna invest in a very moisturizing but cheap conditioner, because the key when starting out your natural hair journey, the key really is to keep your hair moisturized, whether it be through conditioners, deep conditioners. Some people like oils. I don't really care for using oils to moisturize my hair. So cheap and very effective conditioners, and you can use them for like anything. It's these Garnier Fructis 1 minute hair masks. Now what do I have? I have avocado, coconut, banana, and I also tried the goji berry one. I think I did. Some of you guys may be familiar with Garnier. They're very inexpensive, but a lot of their products contain silicones, sulfates, and all that extra shit. These have a vegan formula. They contain no silicones, no parabens, and also no artificial color. Now, these, you can use them as a hair mask after you shampoo your hair. You can use it as a conditioner, a rinse out conditioner or a leave-in. Funny thing about me is, for these, this one's about out, so I don't really use this one as much. I'll probably use this to refresh my hair until I use it all up. I will use the coconut hair mask as like a 1 minute hair mask in the shower, and I'll rinse it out. I use this one as a leave-in just from the way it smells. And all of them are equally moisturizing. That's the thing, they all moisturize, but they all have different purposes. So I really recommend you guys to check out these hair masks. They are like $3 a piece. And I think that's great for someone that's really beginning their hair journey, because you don't want to spend a whole bunch of money on products that you're unsure of. So even if you don't like these products, it's $3. All right, when I tell y'all, this is important stuff, I'm not being dramatic whatsoever. This will be the 180 in your hair journey. I will still always, I will continue to deep condition my hair. There aren't very many inexpensive deep conditioners, but deep conditioners will last you for a very long time. My all-time favorite is the Strengthen, Grow, and Restore from Shea Moisture. Y'all, when I started using this, I started seeing curls that I never knew I had before. And you guys have seen me stress this on my channel before. Deep conditioning, deep conditioning, deep conditioning. It just restores all the moisture and strength that your hair has lost throughout the week. Deep conditioning is great for people that are transitioning, people that have damaged hair, brittle hair, fine hair. Deep conditioning is for everybody. I have multiple deep conditioners. I have the Strength and Grow and Restore. This one is around $13. I have the Texture Treatment from Aphogee. I used all this up a while back. I had to restock on this because this one is one of my favorites. This one is so powerful. It's like so strong. Like you only have to leave it in for about 5 minutes and you're good. I have my Rehydration Treatment Mask from Shea Moisture. This is under their coconut line, I think. I have my Devacurl Melt in the Moisture. I don't recommend you guys to go out and purchase this because this is almost $40, I believe. But this is no joke. As well as the Devacurl Heaven and Hair Deep Conditioner, both of those are amazing. And then I also have my Korea Botanicals Veggies and Herbs Deep Conditioner. This one is fire as well. But I love how this one smells so much. I don't want to use it all up because I don't know. I use this one like on special occasions or something. Like the smell of this, it smells like, I think I've said this before, but it smells like green apple Jolly Ranchers. And there are so many more deep conditioners. The Manuka Honey Deep Conditioner from Shea Moisture, that one is really great. I didn't include very many styling products in this video just because everyone's hair is different. I feel as if for deep conditioners, shampoos, regular conditioners, they can be used across the board no matter what your hair texture is. Styling products is a whole different story. So I feel as if what works for just about anyone just starting out is the Cantu Curl Activating Cream. This I did not use when I first started my hair journey. I actually, one of the very first products I bought was the Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner. No, the regular leave-in conditioner with shea butter. This Curl Activating Cream works just fine. I've only used maybe this much because it's kind of like one of those beginner friendly kind of products. There's nothing special about it, but it gets the job done. Another one, you guys have all heard of this one. Every one of their baby mamas has heard of this one. The Curl Enhancing Smoothie from Shea Moisture. Now, if this one is too thick for your hair, there's also the Curl and Style Milk, which is basically the exact same thing as this one, only it's a little bit thinner. This one is also one of those products. It just kind of works for everyone. There's nothing special about it, but it does get the job done. And I didn't include Eco Styler in this video. Everyone has heard of Eco Styler, but Eco Styler, as far as I'm concerned, is canceled. If you guys want me to make a video on Eco Styler, I can, but there's plenty of information circulating on YouTube about Eco Styler and the ingredients of what they have been doing to people's health. So if you guys want to check that out, then go for it. That is it for this video, guys. If you are interested in any of these products that I've mentioned, I will leave them linked in the DB below. The Hair Stimulator hair growth products, that will be at the top of the description box, as well as the link to the website, as well as my discount code. It will also be once again on the screen, and I will also leave it in the DB below. I really hope this, you know, kind of help you guys out or give you like a general idea of where to start looking for your hair product. Comment below inexpensive natural products. So for anything that I missed in this video, someone who's just scrolling down the comments, you know, if they didn't like any of the products that I listed in this video, maybe they'll like something in the comment section. Yeah, as usual, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. My social media will be in the DB below. And yeah, I will see y'all on my next video.